So I just stumbled onto this bash script that helps you block distracting commands. It's called ban, and it sounds super handy.
Wait, what? You mean it actually prevents you from running certain commands? That's wild.
Exactly. You just set up a command to ban things like Steam, and then it reminds you why you did it every time.
So, like a parental control for your terminal? I can see how that would be super helpful, especially for those long gaming sessions.
Right. And it even lets you add reasons for the ban, like, I'm wasting too much time on this. Basically a little pep talk.
But how does it work? Like, does it just throw an error when you try to run a banned command?
Yeah. You attempt to run the command, and it says, hey, remember this is banned because you said so. It's like a digital accountability buddy.
That's actually kind of genius. I could use that to stop myself from scrolling mindlessly. Is it easy to set up?
Super easy. You just download it into your bin directory, make it executable, and you're good to go.
So, it's just a couple of commands in the terminal? That's easier than I expected.
Exactly. Even if you're not a pro, you can manage it. It's all about reclaiming focus.
And it gives you a time frame, too. What if I want to ban something longer or shorter?
You can specify the duration. If you don't, it defaults to 40 days, but you can set any date you want.
Wow, that's pretty customizable. It makes me think of all those productivity apps that try to manage your time.
Exactly. But this is much more straightforward since it's just in your terminal. It's brilliant in its simplicity.
And you get to see all your bans in a directory? That's hilarious. I can just imagine my list growing.
Right. And if you ever want to unban something, it's just as simple. Just delete a file.
So it's literally like a trash bin for bad habits. Do people actually contribute to improving the script?
Yeah, it's open for contributions so folks can suggest features or even submit fixes.
That really builds a community around it. I love the idea of people collaborating on productivity tools.
It makes you think about how personal productivity can actually be a shared experience.
Totally. You could even share your banned list with friends for some friendly competition.
That's a fun idea. Like, I've banned scrolling for a whole month. Can you handle it?
Exactly. And imagine the motivation that would come from knowing others are doing it too.
Right? And with all of us facing distractions, it might really catch on.
I'm picturing everyone's terminal being like a no distraction zone. That gives me chills.
It really resonates, for sure. Makes you rethink how we manage our digital spaces.
So if you set a ban, are there reminders too, or is it just a one-time warning?
Oh, it reminds you every time you try to run the command. Perfect way to keep your goals front and center.
I love that. It's almost like a little mental nudge pushing you to stay focused.
Exactly. And seeing your own reasoning can reinforce why you want to stick to it.
This is such a neat example of using tech to fight against distractions. It feels empowering.
Totally. It's like taking control of your digital life back, one command at a time.
And it really flips the script on how we typically think about banning. This is deep.
If we put all this together, it's clear tech can help us create boundaries in our digital spaces.
So what if we all embrace this idea? How different would our tech lives be?
Exactly. Food for thought, right? Imagine a world where distractions are kept in check.
That just might be the key to a more focused, productive life. What a fascinating concept.